All right, I am excited to do this video. So, if you watch my channel a little bit, you know I have talked about the robot lawyer. You have to forgive my poor video quality today. Um, this is a case I've been watching carefully. Why? Because I have used the robot lawyer, and I'm going to talk about my experience and if this thing even works. So this case that the robot lawyer didn't get his day in court. The robot lawyer was scheduled to argue in court in California. Then came the jail threats. This is a very interesting case out the gate for the robot lawyer. I have plenty of experience with the robot lawyer. Maybe we are going to even talk about some of the things that I've used the robot lawyer for, including the case that with DHL that I took to court. And I'm going to look for that case in here and show it to you because that case started from the DoNotPay. And no, it was not able to sue. However, I got DHL in court. So let's talk about this very interesting case. British man who planned to have the robot lawyer help help a defendant fight a traffic ticket, has dropped the effort, receiving threats of possible prosecution and jail time. Wow, I wonder if a parking ticket could ever lead to jail time in this situation. I maybe call shenanigans on that one or bullshit. Joshua Broward, New York City-based startup DoNotPay, created a way for people contesting traffic tickets using arguments in court generated by artificial intelligence. Now, I have fired off demand letters. I have not fought a traffic ticket, but I'll tell you, filing a lawsuit is similar in nature. You're firing off to the court, uh, your paperwork, which is very simple. I mean, I sued DHL, small claims court, wasn't terribly hard. It may be easier with the DoNotPay because it just fill in the blanks, but I still wonder if it would be able to fight a traffic ticket. So here's how it's supposed to work. The person challenging the speeding ticket would wear smart glasses that both record the proceeding and dictate responses into defendant's ear from a small speaker. I've used a lot of dictation software. None of it has been that good. On YouTube, you may watch videos that has a bit of a like dictation, on the screen. Some of it's wrong. I wonder if that would work. I don't know. I'm just guessing from my tech experience. Where are we picking up here? The system relied on a few leading AI text generation, including Chat GPT. Now, I've used Chat GPT a little bit, played around with it a little bit, and it's interesting because Chat GPT and the experience I have had with this robot lawyer is similar because its ability to fire a demand letter and with some basic details give you a legal document is pretty powerful. However, like my buddy Jeff, who's an attorney, we talk a little bit, and the DoNotPay lawyer really lacks a hammer to to really bring it right. So what I mean by that is, you fire off a demand letter to whoever owes you money or you're looking to sue, and you're this demand letter is from this robot lawyer. And the best way to explain this is I get a demand letter and it's pretty good. It's formatted legally and everything. It goes off to the company, and but it doesn't go off to the company like, hey, I am Do Not Pay. I am a robot lawyer and I am going to sue you if you don't pay type thing. Like that type of teeth. It doesn't have that type of teeth. Um, I would say majority of the demand letters that I've sent have been uh, great, but they've been great for what you put into it. And again, you may want to go back and look through some of the videos that I made about this Do Not Pay. Because it's interesting, because if you deal with anything online, fly on an airline, have credit card chargebacks, have all these small grade legal matters where you just can't reach to an attorney. It's the same thing with the DHL. I was out $2,000. I paid $500 for shipping. What do I take that to a lawyer for? Oh, he would probably want a couple grand to drag him in the court, fire off some sort of paper campaign, and they even may settle because they're probably going, this guy's paid, we're going to court for sure. But the average person can really take somebody to court. Sued plenty of people, and I've been sued, we've gone to court. It's gone both ways each time. So let's continue reading. The first ever AI-powered legal defense was set to take place in California on the 22nd, but not anymore. That's a shame. I would have really liked to see some of that. Parking ticket probably in state court, so I think there might have been some arrangements to maybe try to record it, and maybe the glasses are recording. So that would have been impressive, right, for the robot lawyer's resume. The word got out. Uneasy buzz began to swirl among various state bar officials. Now, there's a lot of lawyers in California. They probably don't want to see a robot one show up because all of these services these cheap legal services are flooding into the market. And because you just end up in these situations where you just get screwed by some of these companies for maybe even a lot of money, like DHL. They were just like, oh, shucks, dude, I paid you for $500. You're in the shipping business to ship a box and you failed. I mean, I got to tell you, DHL got lucky on that one. In my opinion, the case didn't go my way. So we're going to pick up here. In particular, Brower said one state bar official noted that the unauthorized practice of law is a misdemeanor in some states, punishable up to 6 months in county jail. I wonder, state court, again, parking ticket, I don't know. Could it end up like that? I just don't know. So I'm going to not continue reading here. We're going to jump over to look at some of my experiences here, because I'm going to try to look back, and I'm going to talk about some of the tasks that I've done with them.